course they decided to take a steep hill. More motivation. Oh my god. We started down there and then made our way all the way up. Okay, so this is the entrance, room tour. Enter your left to the kitchenette. Then go straight ahead, you're like the living room. That's the way to the balcony. And then turn right. And then there's a bathroom. And then we're back this way to the kitchen. This is our quick dinner for tonight. We're trying to make it to see the sunset, but we don't know. We have like 15 minutes. There's Maddie back there. Okay, I'm currently illegally filming as I'm going up on the Rich Runner. I can't film the way down because I don't have any more control. But I'm super scared. Oh Oh God, wish me luck. If you're in Canada, you have to get beaver tails. Oh God. My room. Actually, we have to go back to get an ice cup.